Wells. You got Barack Obama as the new president of the United States of Americas. I didn't vote. I'm not registered to vote. But if I was registered, I'd probably vote for Barack Obama. Now, a lot of people say that, having him in the office is not a good thing because he might be assassinated. The black people are going to have this chip on their shoulder now, like, hey, we got a brother in the office in my White House. A black guy in the White House. Sounds like an oxymoron. But anyways, so it's a big deal. It's a big legendary moment in American histories. We all knows that already. But what you don't know is that Barack Obama was behind the 9/11 attacks. No, I'm just kidding. That would just be like slandering the bastard. But, John McCain, he ain't gonna last that long. Barack Obama's like 47 years old. 47 years old. And you've got John McCain, who's at least 95, 105 years old. I mean, what's he's gonna do in the office? Was he gonna sleep all day like this? I mean, what is he gonna do? He's gonna sit there and be like, "Can somebody change my diapers?" That's gonna be terrible. No one's gonna want to change his diapers, except maybe, what's her name, Sarah Palin. But it's too bad that Governor Palin can't be the vice president of the United States of Americas, because now she's got to go back to Alaska and pull her jacket all the way up here because it's cold in Alaska. And losing the election is real cold, if you knows what I means. You knows what I means? But anyways, just to keep this short, Barack Obama, congratulations, Chief. You have now begotten the real Chief's sign of approval. Boom. So, who knows? Maybe we'll have a video with Barack Obama on the next showing of the Real Chief Vlogger. We don't knows. But what we do knows is that I'm repeating myself a lot, and I just ate a lot of Chinese food, so I'm really bloated and I feel like shit. But that's what those Chinese people do. They throw all this MSG in the food, and it makes you go crazy. You know what I mean? Oh, God. All right, 3 minutes is rolling around. That's enough. And I'll see you next time. You knows what I means?